subscribe.
Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Energy, where we talk about Bitcoin, other digital assets, and the incredible crypto revolution that's sweeping the globe. Today's video is part of our Bitcoin for Beginners series, where we talk about the very most basic terminology associated with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But before we begin, if you like this content, please click the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll receive a message every time we publish a new video. It really helps the channel and helps us to get this content out to other people who find it interesting. And with that, let's begin. If you're new to Bitcoin, you might be confused about some of the most common terminology used in the space. In this video, we provide basic definitions for the term Bitcoin, blockchain, decentralized networks, nodes, altcoins, and NFTs. So let's get started. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is essentially a computer program that was deployed on the internet in 2009. The Bitcoin protocol is intended to be a form of digital money that can be sent anywhere in the world peer-to-peer without need of using any intermediary or getting any permission. Bitcoin uses decentralized blockchain technology to ensure safety and to ensure that no central or governmental authority can manipulate Bitcoin. For a more detailed description of what Bitcoin is, check out this video linked in the description below, where we discuss Bitcoin in greater detail. So, if Bitcoin uses blockchain technology, what is blockchain technology? Well, blockchain is a computer technology that uses cryptography to ensure that data stored on the blockchain is accurate and can never be changed or erased. As the database grows, new, quote, blocks are created that contain cryptographic information about the previous block in the chain. This makes it very difficult to modify the data in the blockchain, because to do so, you would have to modify the information in each block of the chain. If the blockchain is then deployed on a decentralized network, the security is essentially impregnable. So what is a decentralized network? A decentralized network is a network of computers, or nodes, that are linked together via the internet and that each contain a copy of the entire blockchain. The nodes are decentralized in that anyone can create and run a node, thus creating a network of nodes geographically spread across the world that are not controlled by any central authority. As new transactions occur on the blockchain, the nodes communicate with each other to verify that the transaction is consistent with the data already in the blockchain. If someone tries to hack the blockchain, the nodes detect it and reject the attempted hack. Utilizing blockchain technology on a decentralized network makes it nearly impossible to manipulate, because a hacker would need to modify every block in the blockchain on thousands of computers around the world simultaneously. What is an altcoin? Altcoin is short for alternative coins, and generally the term refers to cryptocurrencies that are intended to be an alternative or an improvement to Bitcoin. Altcoins use blockchain technology, but may or may not be completely decentralized. Examples of the largest altcoins by market value are protocols such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Altcoins seek to improve on Bitcoin by providing the ability to incorporate things such as smart contracts, something we'll discuss in another video, faster transaction speeds, or other improved functionality. While altcoins will likely have a future in the crypto economy, Bitcoin remains the largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Finally, we get to NFTs. What is an NFT? NFT is an acronym for non-fungible token. An NFT is a unique unit of data on a blockchain that is not interchangeable with any other unit of data. This unit of data, or token, can be associated with a unique digital asset, such as digital art, or real-world assets, such as rare watches or other things, to verify the authenticity of that asset. Because each NFT data unit is unique and represents a unique, one-of-a-kind asset, NFTs are not interchangeable and thus non-fungible. In contrast, each Bitcoin is fungible because each Bitcoin can be interchanged with another Bitcoin without losing value or having a different value, just like swapping $20 bills with your friend. NFTs are not designed to be a form of money. Rather, NFTs are unique digital assets that derive value as a collectible, similar to art, rare coins, stamps, or other collectibles. So there you have it, folks. A few basic definitions to get you started in the cryptocurrency world. This is Brett with Digital Energy. Protect yourself out there.